Ever wondered why your success seems to escape from you? Why your dreams just remain that dreams? Well, then it might be the time to face the reality and come up with solutions. Success isn't reserved for lucky ones. Success is result of consistent effort and relentless determination and willingness to face uncomfortable truths. Listen this quote. If you want to be recognizable amongst others, you must do the things that others don't. And that is the reason between a successful person and you. It sounds harsh, but you need to listen in order to upgrade yourself. So now let's address the elephant in the room. Here's why you are not succeeding in life, and here's what you can do about it. In order to succeed, you must have firstly determined your goals and purposes. So hear me out. Take out one book and pen or whatever note taking app you use. Do this right now. If you are not willing to do this right now, maybe this video isn't for you. So if you have got yourself all the materials ready, congratulations, you have taken the first step towards your successful life, and this will make a big difference in your life. So now write down three goals, just three goals which you want to achieve within next 3 to 4 months. And remember, don't write big goals, instead write the small ones. These micro wins will help you to get started. Start small and go further. So let's imagine you have wrote, I want to fix my diet till dash 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 date, and I want to have a physical wellness at dash 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 date. This will cognitively impulse your brain to do those tasks and take the small actions, just small actions. For example, if you want to wake up early, just sleep 5 minutes early and wake up 5 minutes early, and that's how you will achieve your goals. Second thing, if you want to succeed in life, you have to face the fear of failure. Most of the people are afraid of failures. When the failure arrives, they just give up. They don't want to move further. But listen me out, that's the make or break point. You need to treat failure as a muscle. You need to train it again and again in order to bear the circumstances. And listen, whenever you fail, you don't fail, you learn something. And you learn that this is not the way to solve this. And you won't repeat those at next time. So your chances of failure becomes less and less. So don't be afraid of failure. Just learn from those and keep moving forward. Third thing that is holding you back from being successful is procrastination. This thing most of the people do, and I will not try to explain this as you have already gone through these situations and procrastinating yourself. So I will give you the solution. The solution is short and simple. Whenever you approach a hard task, cut down those hard tasks into small sub tasks that you think the first step is a piece of cake for me. So imagine you are doing coding and you are about to procrastinate, but remember yourself this step. For example, if you're coding and making a web application, just divide the web application task into small subtasks like opening laptop, opening app, Visual Studio Code, which most of them use, and write the code. So just take the step, open the app and write the boilerplate, which is most easy. Everyone can do, every programmer can do this, and that's how you will stop the procrastination and enjoy the every micro wins you have, and that's how you will stop your procrastination. Fourth thing that is holding you back is negative self-talk. I was a guy who was doing negative self-talk most of the day in the past, and I just didn't knew, but I was digging a hole for me which was too big from me to escape from it. So to avoid this negative self-talk, you have to do this gratitude journaling type thing. In this, what you have to do is you have to write down the thing that you are grateful for in life and embrace the happiness in your life. So you have to write just one thing you are grateful for in the morning or in the evening. In doing gratitude journal for a long period of time, and I will show you my gratitude journal. It's about my 60 or 61st gratitude thing I am grateful for, and you must do this to in order to lower your negative self-talk and embrace your life, and that's how you will have the mindset of successful people. Last but not the least, lack of persistence. Success doesn't come overnight. It's the grind of making every piece of puzzle every day by failing and learning thing and making the piece and aligning them in a perfect order to have a successful life, and people call it overnight success. You need to have the consistent determination and persistence in order to succeed in life and get where you want to be. So make the every piece of puzzle every day and solve it, try to solve it every piece, and don't fear the failure, and that's how you will win the game of life. So let me recap you all the things you have gone through. uh, Write down your goals for next 2 to 3 months and work on it every day. Fear is like a muscle and train it every day. Third thing, stop procrastination. The easy way to get is divide into smaller subtasks that I have told you. And fourthly, no negative self-talk and writing a gratitude. And last but not the least, persistence. And that's how you will win the game of life and you will achieve something great in your life. So work on yourself every day, enjoy every micro wins, and move further. Challenge yourself.